Hi everyone. Did you know that the recent survey says by 2022 automations will displace 75 million jobs and data and artificial intelligence domain will generate 133 million new job opportunities? Today I'm going to talk to you about Microsoft Azure data and artificial intelligence certifications. Join us in Boost Your Career with Cloud Tagna Strategies, Episode 2, Azure Data and AI Certifications Insights. There are two tracks in data and artificial intelligence domain, which are fundamentals and associates. Let's spend few minutes to go through all the certifications and see what's inside these certifications. Also, there is a specialty track for Internet of Things and SAP workloads. We will also look into that as well in a moment. Let's start with fundamentals track. DP900, this is the exam code for data fundamentals. This certification measures your knowledge on core data concepts such as relational databases like Azure SQL, non-relational databases like NoSQL, Azure Cosmos DB, also your understanding on various data products that are available in Azure, such as Azure Data Factory, Azure HD Insights, Azure Synapse Analytics in a high level. This is the great start for software engineers, database administrators, business analysts, also new candidates who wish to start their career in the data domain. AI 900, this is the exam code for artificial intelligence fundamentals. This certification measures your knowledge on artificial intelligence workloads such as natural language processing, computer vision API, text API, Azure Cognitive Services, machine learning models, and various bot frameworks. This is the great start for software engineers, data scientists, also new candidate who wish to start their career in artificial intelligence domain. DP100, this is the exam code for Azure Data Scientist. This certification measures your knowledge on Azure Machine Learning, inference pipeline, experiment models, working with data store, data sets, also training, interpreting and monitoring models. This is the great start for data scientists, data professionals, also new candidate who wish to start their career in machine learning workloads or aspiring towards becoming a data scientist. Next one, Azure Data Engineer. To get this badge, you need to pass on two papers that are DP200 and DP201. DP200, this is the exam code for implementing Azure data solutions. This certification measures your knowledge on various data products such as Azure Storage Account, Data Lake, Databricks, Azure Cosmos DB, data warehouse products, also analytics products like Stream Analytics. This course mainly covers from the implementations perspective. And this certification suitable for developers, data professionals, business intelligence professionals, also new candidate who wish to start their career in the data platform. DP201, this is the exam code for designing Azure data solutions. This certification measures your knowledge on various Azure data products from designing perspective, like architectural consideration, securing data solution, designing scalability, resiliency, and operational requirements. This certification suitable for developers, data professionals, business intelligence professionals, also new candidate who wish to start their career in the data platform. AI 100, this is the exam code for Artificial Intelligence Engineer. This certification measures your knowledge on Azure Cognitive Services, natural language processing, developing bot solution, also integrating Azure Cognitive Services with bot frameworks and other products. This certification suitable for Artificial Intelligence Engineer, AI developer, also new candidates who wish to start their career in the artificial intelligence domain. Let's move on to specialty certifications. AZ220, this is the exam code for Azure IoT Developer. And this certification measure your knowledge on Azure IoT services from solutions perspective. For example, implementing IoT solution, integrating IoT devices with Azure IoT Hub, then processing and managing the data, and finally monitoring, securing and optimizing your IoT solutions. This certification suitable for IoT developers, cloud solution architects, also new candidates who wish to start their career in the IoT domain. AZ120, this is the exam code for Azure SAP workloads. This certification measures your knowledge on SAP on Azure workload from architectural perspective. This certification designed for SAP administrators and SAP architects. As a prerequisites, we recommend candidates should have a prior skills on Azure administration and Linux administration before taking this exam. That being said, data and artificial intelligence domain is going to create millions of job opportunities in the coming days. Hence, it is very important for you to secure these new skills, which surely add a great value to your profile. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our updates. Stay tuned for the next update.